I just want to say it's truly been an honor and a blessing, like, to be in the school. And, you know, like, I just hope that I'll be able to make y'all proud. What the knowledge that I have now is just something I had. Like, I see myself progressing a whole lot. Like, I just want all the knowledge I can have. I want to learn everything that I need to learn for welding. You know, I don't just stop here at what I know right now. Like, I have to keep soaking everything in. You know, like, that's just, you know, part of life. You know, stuff like that. I always tell people, don't call me an old head, because some older men feel as though they know everything. I don't never want to be called an old head, because I will never be too old to learn something new. So I just want to keep learning. There's certain characteristics that people born with, and some that people need to learn. You know, I was just born that way. You know, plus I'm a reader. Like, I don't know if y'all ever heard the book 48 Laws of Power. It's a good book. I suggest you get it. But you know, it tells you never outshine the master. You know, just things like that. Like, just to, you know, like, know your position in life. And, you know, like, I know my position and I know where I want to go. So yeah, like, my goals for the future, for one, you know, is to get a stable job to have me, and, you know, a stable mind state, you know, just everything okay for me and my family as far as my children, you know. I don't plan on working for the rest of my life, but I do need a job for about a good 5 years to save up what I want to save up. I plan on, you know, like, with welding, it's going to help me, like, start a few businesses that I want to start up. Like, welding is just my stepping stone. I love it. I'm always going to do welding, but I plan on, you know, being well off one day. Basically, like, don't think that everybody is against you, you know. If someone's in there, like, if instructors in there telling you that your work is not that good, that means continue to work on yourself so you can become better. You know, like, because these guys really not out to hurt you. They really want to see you do better. You know, like, they want to see you become better at your craft. So, you know, like, don't take that as if somebody's going at your neck or something like that. Big word, just a very small word for people that had been through the same things I've been through in life, is change. That's like one of the biggest things. Don't be afraid of change. Don't be afraid of the things that you don't know. You know, like, as far as what I mean by that is, like, don't be afraid to come here because you think, oh, what if it don't go good? Because you also got to think about the what if it does go good. You know, and if it does go good, you know, you'll be in a way better position in life.